Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Southern stew from Spy X family. Begin by prepping onions, carrots, and celery and browning your chosen protein in a heavy pot over medium heat. Add garlic, paprika, and thyme, then stir in tomatoes and stock. Cover and simmer gently while you check seasoning and adjust salt and pepper. Finish with fresh herbs and a squeeze of lemon to brighten the stew before serving. To cook the stew, focus on building layers of flavor to achieve that comforting, soulful profile. Brown meat in small batches for a rich caramelized surface, then remove and sauté vegetables in the same pot. Return the meat and add stock, tomatoes, and seasonings, then reduce heat to a low simmer. Stir occasionally and skim any excess fat. Patience yields tender meat and a cohesive, hearty. Balancing the stew is where the magic happens, so taste as you go and tweak gently for the best result. Begin with careful salt and pepper adjustments, then add a splash of vinegar or lemon if it needs brightness. If the stew feels flat, stir in a pinch of sugar or a dash of hot sauce to lift it. Finish by folding in fresh herbs right before serving to keep their aroma vivid and lively.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.